Hi, I'm Eric Grant. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use SKP, which is Super Quick Patch. It's for vinyl applications. It's an excellent patch for repairs on curtain side trucks, bounce houses, boat lift canopies. It's made to work with any brand of PVC-coated polyester or PVC-coated nylon fabric. When you open up your package, there's going to be a protective tab on top that you just take off. It's so aggressive that it sticks to the box, so that's why that's there. Save those because when you put it back in the box, you'll want to protect the ends from sticking to the box. Okay, it's available in these colors, and it's pretty close to the Shelter-Rite fabric colors, as you can see here. So here I have an example of a heavy-duty PVC-coated polyester. It's called Shelter-Rite, and we have a damaged area here. If left without repair, it will only get larger. The first thing you want to do is clean it with isopropyl alcohol, either on a rag or one of these swabs will do it. So clean the surface where you intend to apply it, and I do recommend that it be at least an inch outside of the damaged area. If you don't repair things like this, these rips get seriously large, and that's why these repair patches are good to have on hand for all applications. Now let this dry, the alcohol. So I've cut a patch with scissors at least an inch larger than our damaged area, and I like to actually cut the corners and round them. That way they don't easily come undone, though this stuff is exceptionally sticky. Now Shelter-Rite has a dull side and a shiny side. You can apply it to either side or both sides if the repair is serious. And what we want to do with the SKP is take off the transfer paper from the back, and I like to start a corner so I can do large jobs, and then I center it over my repair, and I press the corner down over that firmly, and then I lift up the back side and I start peeling this off a little bit at a time as I adhere pressure on the repair tape. And that is all there is to it. It is going to keep that from getting worse, and the color is actually, it's very difficult to see that patch on this black color. So if you'd like, you can put it on this side, but it's really not necessary. That is going to stay on there for the life of your vinyl fabric. Okay, this is sat overnight, which the glue always gets stronger when you let it set, and especially if it's in the sun. I'm going to try to peel it off. Got a little corner up. Man, look at that glue. And I am really pulling on it. It does not want to come up. I got glue all over me. This is a very good patch. If it were in the sun, it'd even be better. And I can put that down and it probably won't even be affected by that. So with a PVC-coated vinyl, this is an excellent patch for all kinds of applications. I've done some testing with the SKP on other products. This is a seating vinyl. The problem with seating vinyls is that they often have a protective blockade finish, or sometimes referred to as a beauty guard for other brands. And because of that, they don't stick well because that protects the vinyl. If it's an older vinyl, it may stick a little bit better, but this is brand new. For tarps that you buy at a hardware store, it does stick fairly well. This has been on here for 72 hours because that's about the maximum bond, but it's not perfect for that. As you can see, I can peel it off. It'll probably prevent a rip from getting worse, but On Shelter-Rite, it works great, and on Stamoid Top or Stamoid Light, it sticks just as well as the Shelter-Rite does. So those are my tests.
Order the SKP repair tape from Shelter-Rite today. Thanks for watching.